This is the most beautiful season in Melbourne. Welcome to beautiful Box Hill. I'm Luna.
I'm Ripple. We're thrilled to show you home of 41 Combarton Street, Box Hill. Timeless charm and modern comfort. Perfect one together. The heart of this home is this open plan kitchen, family and dining area, flooded with natural light, thanks to the French doors from ceiling to the floor. Step outside this north-facing backyard, complete with veranda and oversized open-air decking, ideal for entertaining and relaxing. It's walking distance to Box Hill Central, Box Hill High School at doorstep. This has got excellent public transportation. This home truly have it all.
Thank you for joining us for the tour. If you'd like to learn more about the house or attend to the inspection, let us know. See you soon.